Hi, everyone. Welcome to our next episode of Women to Watch in Sales Tax. I'm Diane Yetter, and I'm the founder of the Sales Tax Institute. And today I'd like to introduce you to a longtime friend of mine, Rhonda Sparlin, and she is the partner in charge of state and local tax at RubinBrown in Denver, Colorado. So Rhonda, welcome. Rhonda, for those that don't know what RubinBrown does, can you let them know who that firm is? And then also, what is your role as partner in charge? Sounds awfully important.
Well, thank you. RubinBrown is a top 40 public accounting firm. We are really focused on providing the services that our clients need through integral engagement teams. We have 9 core values that we live by. That first one is superior quality and service to our clients, but following right behind that is devotion to our team members. And then third one is teamwork. And boy, if we get those right, everything else comes together, including number 9, having fun.
That's great. So Rhonda, you've had a long career in sales tax, doing a lot of different things. Is there anything that you've accomplished that you're especially proud of?
A few years ago, we had a large retail client who, in Colorado, where sales taxes are so complicated, they had collected all the right taxes, but they had somehow remitted them to the wrong cities.
Ooh.
And it created quite an issue. And they had been contacted by a couple of the cities for audits when this came to light. And I got involved. We came up with a rather creative suggestion to use voluntary disclosures and intercity claims for refund to try to right the issue in Colorado. And I met with the Colorado Municipal League and some of the representatives of the cities, and we got 26 cities around the table to openly discuss how we would do the voluntary disclosures and the intercity claims. And we got everyone to agree that they would participate in the process, and we answered their questions. And meanwhile, while we were handling all of this aspect of this issue, our client, that allowed them to go and focus on fixing the reporting issues so that this wouldn't repeat.
That is an amazing accomplishment and absolutely something to be very proud of, because those Colorado cities,
Yes.
Particularly, this was before SUTs, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So Colorado cities cooperating is not something that you usually use those words in the same sentence. So amazing job. So Rhonda, as a woman who has been in the sales tax field for a while, and much of your career, correct, has been in public accounting.
Yes.
Do you have any advice for women working in public accounting in the sales tax field?
Absolutely. My advice to a woman working in sales and use tax in public accounting is to make sure and participate in the community in some way beyond the work you do. And by that, I mean, for instance, one thing that I have done for years and years and years is participate in the Colorado Chamber of Commerce Tax Council. And I started just listening and learning, but then I started volunteering on some of the legislative or regulatory issues. I started volunteering for the committees that address those issues with the Colorado Municipal League and with the various cities and with representatives of the Department of Revenue. And it provided opportunities to become more educated about what the issues were and what each side's perspectives of the issues were. And it also helped me to form relationships.
You're right. And, working in public accounting or consulting like I am, you have to be able to advocate on behalf of your clients. And if you don't have those relationships with the government officials, you're not going to be as effective with your clients. So I love that advice. So thank you for that. Well, Rhonda, thank you so much for sharing your information and your wisdom with our audience, and I really appreciate it.
Diane, thank you so much for the invitation. I loved participating in this with you. Look forward to when we can get together again sometime soon.